Our top story, a day after NDTV broke the news yesterday that a 3G auction has been stalled yet again, this time by serious differences within the government. One of India's biggest telecom players has spoken out. Bharti Airtel chairman Sunil Mittal has called the delay a disappointment, saying pressures from telecom players is causing that delay. He was speaking to NDTV's Shweta Rajpal-Kohli in Davos.
We've actually been using 3G technology here in the Congress Center in Davos to cover the World Economic Forum. But the big story out there back home in Delhi is the delay in the 3G auction. With us here, Telecom Czar Sunil Bharti Mittal, who better than him to talk about it. Mr. Mittal, looks like the 3G auction has been delayed. How will it impact Bharti's plans?
Well, I mean, we have plans for being in 3G, but at the end of the day, we will only be ready when the government is ready. And if the government has decided to now postpone it, which we haven't heard officially, we only hear it through media sources that there may be further delay. It's a disappointment, but as we have said earlier, we are ready when the government is ready.
But why, according to you, would the government take so long to decide on something like this? There are huge revenues at stake. Over 30,000 crores is what we're looking at.
Well, I think this question you'll have to pose to the government. This money was actually factored for in the last year's budget to come during this financial year. So we were all very keen to have this whole process closed. So I only hope that the issues around the availability of spectrum and putting it to auction as a process should happen as early as possible. But heavens will not fall. I mean, we can wait.
Indeed, you can wait, but spectrum availability is a key issue for Bharti Airtel. That's something that's worrying you a lot right now. How badly will it impact your overall plans?
No, I think spectrum is an issue in certain areas, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and we are waiting for the government to come out with a clear policy on M&A.
All right, it is indeed a wait-and-watch game for telecom players like you, but are you getting a sense that politics is playing a role in this entire delay?
No, I think at the end of the day, you can only blame the industry players. There are different competing pressures all the time. And you have all seen it in the last several months that there have been a lot of back and forth pressures on 3G. And I think the government is committed. They want to bring broadband into the country. But there are, I would say, issues which have been there for several years, if not decades, of where the spectrum is lying, who's using it, how do you get it vacated.
Right.
And the world has taken time to deal with it. I think India is taking a bit too long. And that is where I think there should be a decisive action.
Indeed, a decisive action is required, Mr. Mittal. Also, given the fact that you mentioned industry, there is a sense also that perhaps the delay is happening because certain players in the industry don't have the cash to bid right now. Your comments?
Well, I mean, it'll be a shame if that is the reason that the 3G is getting delayed.
Is it the reason? Do you believe that is the reason?
You know, it's hard to, make any sense of why the delays. There are different theories doing the round, and we were actually very hopeful that this time around this will go through. So I really wouldn't want to comment on the reasons. The fact is we are still hopeful. I mean, it doesn't mean that if it doesn't happen in February, it can't happen in March or April. In any case, as you know, the spectrum was being given in August, September. And if we can somehow come to some conclusion before that, and an auction can take place before that, I think we'll be fine.
Even when the auction does take place, we're told that the DOT says that it only has 2 slots available. Now, is that something that is a cause of concern again for you? I believe you've also written to the government about this.
No, I think there should be at least 4 more slots to be auctioned. And I think by August, September, the talk was 3 or 4. And if there is a delay now, then may as well do 4 or 5 slots so that at least 4 or 5 new participants can come in 3G.
Tuba.com